This is literally the best video that you're going to see here on YouTube today. Now, this is how much I've made from online surveys so far in 2026 April. Yes, just by answering simple questions online. Now, basically, all I did was just answer simple questions for foreign companies and I got paid. It is just as simple as that.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about online survey. Now, if this is your first time coming across this particular topic or hearing about online survey, you are in the right place because I am going to teach you exactly what online survey is and how you can actually start making money with online survey. And trust me, this is going to be the best video tutorial that you've watched so far when it comes to online survey. Now take note, firstly, this is one thing I need you guys to know. Online survey is available for everybody, whether you are a male or you are a female. As long as you can read, you can write, you are good, you can take part in online survey. Now, I would want you to like this video because by doing so, you are telling YouTube that this is a good content and they are going to push it out to a whole lot number of persons that need this video. And subscribe to this channel so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post amazing videos just like the one that you're about to watch. So let's get started into today's video without wasting much time. Video disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I do not guarantee any. Your result is going to determine on your efforts and your experience. So firstly, what is online survey? A survey is simply a way of asking people questions to collect their opinion, experience, or information about something. So basically what this term is trying to say is survey is just basically you answering simple questions. Yes, survey is you answering questions for foreign companies and you get paid. So basically this is you just putting your knowledge into a better in fact into a better business that is going to pay you. Now, what do I mean by answering questions for foreign companies? Now, sometimes whenever a new app is about to launch or a new product is about to launch, they first of all take it to all of these survey websites to get review and feedback of what people think about their product or a particular app. And once you answer that survey, you get paid. So this is just basically the simple explanation about online survey. Now, if you're a beginner, now this is one thing I need you to know. Surveys, high-paying surveys are not always available most times in African countries. Yes, it is not available in African countries. So that is why most times you need a VPN or proxy to sign up on this particular survey website. Now, getting a VPN or proxy is not even the issue, right? The issue here is, firstly, you cannot use a free VPN when you want to take part in online survey. No, you cannot make use of a free VPN. Secondly, you cannot make use of a VPN that does not have a residential IP address. In a scale of 1 to 10, almost 70% of the VPNs that you're seeing out there on Play Store or App Store, they only offer data center IP. And when you're making use of a data center IP, you are definitely going to get flagged, or your account might get shadow banned even before you even start taking surveys. Now, this is the reason why some people register on survey websites and they don't even get surveys at all to complete. Now, the main problem now is not even about the VPN, it's about getting a good VPN and knowing a good VPN or proxy to make use of. Trust me, when you get a good VPN or a good proxy that you're going to make use of in your online survey journey, trust me, you are definitely going to love it. So yes, you need a VPN or proxy to register on this particular survey website because they tend to favor foreigners more, right? The second thing you need is a UK number or a USA number, depending on the location of your VPN. Now take note, you don't actually need a USA or UK number when you're trying to sign up in some survey websites. You only need it to verify your account when you're trying to withdraw. That is just basically the work of a UK number. So the first thing you need is a VPN. Secondly, you need a UK number. Now note, there are a lot of apps as well on Play Store and App Store that sell UK number, but this UK site always ban or shadow ban your account once you make use of that particular website that or app. That is the reason why you need a good app where you can buy your UK number from without having any issues or complications when you're trying to withdraw, or maybe getting your account shadow banned when you might have eventually gotten started with online survey. Thirdly, you cannot do online survey from your Chrome browser. Yes, or your Safari. You cannot do survey from your browser. You need good browsers like Brave browser and Firefox and a lot more. There are a lot of good browsers that are not even going to like disclose your actual location and all of that. That is thirdly. Fourth, and the fifth thing you need when you want to get started with online survey is a good mentorship. Yes, this one is very, very important. See, I am telling you this thing from after doing a lot of research, after failing, after getting banned, after getting screened out, after, trust me, you need a good mentorship, because a good mentorship is going to save you the stress of guessing, because he or she is, trust me, a good mentorship is really needed if you want to succeed in online survey in 2026, because he or she is going to give you the list of working surveys. They are going to guide you and put you through on how you can actually start taking surveys the right way without getting screened out, with getting your account banned, and how you can withdraw your money successfully from this survey website. Now let's talk about 6 major reasons why you get screened out on surveys. Now this one applies to people that are already taking surveys. 6 reasons why you get screened out for surveys that you never even thought about.
Reason number one, inconsistent answer. Yes. Now, when you're trying to register on a particular survey website, they're going to ask you questions like, are you married? Do you have kids? And all of that. Now, let's take, for instance, you said maybe you are married, or you have kids, or you are self-employed, right? Now, whenever you want to start a particular survey, they're going to ask you few questions before you can be able to qualify for that particular survey. Now, they are definitely going to ask you if you are married, if you have kids, and what you do basically in all of the survey. Now, if you are a kind of person that maybe you just signed up to start making money, and you now forgot that maybe you put that you were married and you have 2 kids. Now they now ask you now, and you now mistakenly go and put something like you are single, or you are working part-time. Definitely you get screened out. You will not be accepted because your answers are inconsistent. So whenever you want to register for any survey website, I this is one thing that I always recommend for people. Have a survey template. The name, username, work, literally everything that you're going to be using for that particular survey question, write it down, maybe in a paper or your notepad, so that whenever you come across that particular question, you would know exactly what to put. Secondly, quota has already been filled. Yes. Now, like I said, foreign companies pay this survey site to get feedback for their product. Now, let's say a particular product reached out to this particular survey company and tells them that okay, they need an urgent review about their product. They are going to post it out immediately and maybe say this particular survey is available for maybe 1,000 persons. If now survey site like Nice Survey don't just give surveys, they always send you an email whenever there is a new survey. Now, if you maybe you miss the time when they sent you that email, or the people that they already need has been completed, they are not going to tell you. You are going to finish your screening, and then they will tell you that sorry, you cannot qualify for this survey. So timing matters. Number three, you don't fit the target demographic. Now, what does this simply mean? Now, let's just take for an instance, they want somebody that maybe buys grocery for their family to be the person to answer that question. Now, before you start that particular survey, they're going to ask something like, how often do you buy groceries, right? Now, if you say once in a month, that means that you are not the particular person they want for that survey. They want somebody that goes out like maybe once in a week or twice in a week to buy groceries, right? So if you say that okay, you buy groceries just once in a month, that means you are not the target audience for that particular survey, and you might get disqualified. Despite all of this, myself and my students have been able to make figures like this, like this, just from answering simple questions online. So get you a coach that is ready to teach you. See, let me even tell you something that you don't know. If you don't have a coach that knows what she is doing online, there is nothing that you're going to earn over here. Number four reason why you get disqualified or screened out for survey is inconsistent VPN. I talked about this thing earlier. See, like I have always said, and I'll keep saying it, your VPN matters. Let's just assume that, okay, firstly, this is one thing that you need to know if you're a beginner. Whenever you connect your VPN to a certain location or region, whenever your VPN disconnects and you go back to connect it, they're going to give you a different IP altogether. Now let me take for an instance UK. Okay, now let's say the first time that you connected to Bristol, England, right? And then your VPN mistakenly goes off and you turn it back on again. This time around, they might give you Manchester, United Kingdom, no more Bristol, England. Now, once they see the sudden change of IP address, you might get disqualified for that particular survey because you're trying to tell them that, okay, I am making use of a VPN. So how can you surpass this particular one? That is why I would always advise anybody that wants to take part or get started with online survey to make sure that he or she has a static IP. What do I mean by static IP? A personal IP that does not refresh whenever your VPN turns off, right? And I can help you give you a list of good VPNs that you can make use of. All you just need to do is comment, please give me at least 3 good VPN that I can make use of for my online survey, and I'm going to reply to you. So number five reason why you might get screened out or disqualified is answering questions too fast. Yes, I know that you are not expecting to see this particular one in the list, right? But yes, it is among. So what am I trying to say? Whenever you qualify for any particular survey, they are definitely giving you a time to finish up, maybe 20 minutes. So let me take that for an instance. So when you're being given, let's say 20 minutes to finish up a particular survey. Now, in the middle of that survey, let's say you sign up as a female, right? They are going to ask you, are you a male or female? Because maybe you are not even reading it. All you just want to do is just answer questions and you get paid, right? You might mistakenly tap that you are a male because you did not read the question correctly. That was why I said rushing to answer. That is one. Secondly, let's say if they give you a survey that should last for 20 minutes and you finish up within 3 to 5 minutes, trust me, you are not going to get paid because they are going to think that you did not read that question. Now, the reason why they are really paying for this thing is for you to give in your best, not to rush and just make money and leave. So you need to carefully read the questions carefully. Make sure that there is no trap because trust me, this survey website are definitely going to set a lot of traps for you. Make sure you read it carefully before answering. Now, number six, which is the now this particular one is very important, which is not withdrawing your money on time. Yes. Now, what do I mean by this particular one? Now, this is where a lot of people are finding it very, very difficult. It is easy to get a VPN, start taking surveys, but it is sometimes hard for some people to get a UK PayPal account that they're going to use to withdraw your money. Like I would always tell my mentees, don't keep your money on any sites. There's no site that is your bank. Make sure, see, once you get to the minimum threshold, make sure you withdraw your money immediately so that you might not go offline and come back to see that maybe your account has been banned and maybe you had a balance there. Make sure you withdraw your money. Now, it is easier to say, but it is hard to do because you need a UK PayPal account. And if you check very well here on YouTube, you're not going to find a lot of video talking about how to create a UK PayPal account step by step. This is the reason why I said you need a coach. In fact, you need a mentor because once you get a mentor, he or she is going to give you a proper video or even help you create a free UK PayPal account that you can use to withdraw your money whenever you have accumulated up to the minimum withdrawal in any particular site, right? So, having said this, I believe you all now understand the reason why most of you are getting screened out of service.
So you guys, this is basically how much myself and my students have made so far from online survey in the month of April and just April only. One thing that my mentees can testify to is how detailed and how serious minded I am with them, right? Because when it comes to online business, I don't joke with my students, right? So basically I'm going to be holding a training, yes, a survey training this week on WhatsApp. And in this particular training, you're going to be learning how to spot legit paying survey websites, how to sign up successfully without getting shadow banned on survey websites, how to avoid getting disqualified, literally the pro hack on how to get qualified on almost all of the survey, how to create a free working UK PayPal account. You are going to be learning the best browsers you need for survey and the best AI tool. Yes, you need an AI when it comes to online survey, right? Now you are as well going to be getting access to learn the best VPN and the best place to get a UK number when it comes to survey. And yes, and so trust me, you don't even want to miss out on this particular training that I'm going to be holding on WhatsApp. Like I said, this training is for serious minded people that are ready to get started with survey. If you know that you have tried a lot of survey websites and none has worked for you, now this is your best chance to join my upcoming WhatsApp class coming up soon. The space is limited to just few persons. Now once the few persons that I need have joined this group, the link is going to be reset and you can no longer join. To join my WhatsApp group, check the first pinned comment in the comment section for the link to join my WhatsApp group. So besties, we have come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a thank you in the comment section. Bye for now, my friends.